Hey, what's up, dudes? This is the Lockpicking Lebowski, and this is the second leg of the Tri-lock-athon. I'm going to be using a 5-pin Conair. I really don't know how well this is going to go. I picked it like one time before. I know it's got 5 key pins that are all tapered at the top, and that gave me some grief. I lubed it up with some kindergarten spit, and that seemed to help me the last time, so I did the same thing this time a couple of minutes ago. Going to be using a standard southward wrench and a thinner version of the Peterson gem. The first gem that I got is on the right, and it was a lot thicker, a lot wider. And I know Bosnian Bill thinned his out, and it looked like it made it more susceptible to bending, but still he thinned it out, and you know, it worked for him. And I noticed when I bought the new one to replace the one on the right, the one on the left is a lot thinner. So it looks like Peterson changed their design a little bit, as far as I can tell. Anyhow, that's what we're going to do. We're going to pick it. I'll move to the right and gut it, and then reassemble it. So let's stick this tension bar in here first and hit the timer. I don't know how well it's going to go, but I'm going to have fun with it, so we'll see how it goes. And go. Like I say, the key pins with the tapered tops really gave me grief last time. They're really easy to overset. Oh, open. All right, let's move on. You know, I'll take it. You know, whatever, I'll take it. If it's going to go, it's going to go. Let's get this gutted. See if I can keep the timer there. What do we got here? I lost my wrench. There we go. And we're on the clock here, Dave. Okay. Let's make sure we don't turn that. Get the tail piece off. Go, gadget. Gut. Damn, it's going to cost me. Alright, well, I dropped the screw, so we'll retrieve him later. Tail piece off. And let's gut. So, got the pins going up this way. We don't want to turn and get them all over the place. I'm going to stick that on there like so. And away we go. This over here. And we're going to gut. There goes pin 1. Come on. Pin 2. Pin 3. Pin 4. Pin 5. Let's get them all arranged. Good. And we'll set the cord here, or the plug there. Okay. Now we're going to open this up. So let's go this way. Off you go, mate. And boom, there's 1. 2. 3. 4. 5, and the springs. Here we go. Nope. Yeah, I know we're supposed to do springs, right? There's 1. Yeah, I don't know if they're going to come out or not. There's another one. Come on, buddy. There's 1 there. What do we got here? There's more in there. Good, there's another one there. And I don't see the other one, but he might have flipped out somewhere. That could cost us, that could be a problem. Because I've got a screw on the floor and a spring somewhere as well. God almighty. There goes my time. I got careless. There's the spring, which that's good. And the screw is where? God almighty, Jesus, where'd it go? Alright, well, we're just going to wing it. We're already almost 5 minutes, so let's get this reassembled. Spring number 3. Number 2. Number 1. Number 4. Number 5. Go ahead and get this guy in place. Okay. So number 5 is in place. Off we go with number 4. I just do mine manually. I don't have one of those nice loaders. But there's number 4. Moving right along. Come on, number 3. Good, number 2. Number 1. That's all good. Okay, back in you go. Chamber 1, key pin chamber number 2, key pin populate number 3, key pin number 4, key pin number 5, and off we go. In you go, back you go, and tailpiece back on. Now, if I can, I would just like to pretend that I have the screw. So I'm going to cheat here for a second, but got the screw, put the screw in. I got to use the back of this. I don't have a screwdriver handy, but I'm going to screw it, twist it in with my fingers a little bit, and then twist the screw on. Get it nice and tight, and done. Okay, so 7 minutes, 40 seconds. I'll take it. Thank you so much.